This video will show you how to change the filters on your SG1 water-fed system. Changing your sediment carbon filter. Step 1. Unscrew hose from top of filter. Step 2. Unscrew wing nut from top of filter. Step 3. Remove old filter. Step 4. Insert new filter. Step 5. Attach wing nut to top of filter. Step 6. Attach hose to top of filter. Changing your DI filter. Step 1. Disconnect bottom hose from DI filter. Step 2. Remove quick connect shutoff valve. Step 3. Unscrew wing nut from top of filter. Step 4. Remove old filter. Step 5. Insert new filter. Step 6. Attach wing nut to top of filter. Step 7. Reattach bottom hose to filter. Step 8. Reattach quick connect shutoff valve to top of filter. Changing the RO filter. Step 1. Remove Y valve from bottom of filter. Step 2. Remove bypass tube. Step 3. Disconnect hose from top of filter. Step 4. Unscrew top and bottom clamps using a power drill. Step 5. Remove top and bottom clamp. Step 6. Remove old filter. Step 7. Insert new filter. Step 8. Reattach bottom and top clamps. Step 9. Screw top and bottom clamps back in. Note, they do not need to be tightened all the way, as this will break the clamp. Step 10. Attach hose to top of filter. Step 11. Attach bypass tube to bottom of filter. Step 12. Attach Y valve to bottom of filter.